normally do. It is going to be Poshmark related. So I have a Poshmark closet, which I have maybe talked about on this channel. Not being sarcastic, I just honestly can't remember. But today we're doing a no mystery box. So if you are unaware, people use this app called Poshmark to basically resell their items or use it as a selling platform. So you could be a thrifter that flips products for profit, or you could be kind of someone like me who just has like a personal closet that just no longer uses a specific item, and you can list it on an app and you can sell it. And for me, it's a really great way to do that. It's pretty user-friendly. It's not super difficult. If you use it as more of a business, it definitely takes a lot of work and effort, which I just don't really have an abundance of right now in my life. So when I use it, it will literally be for like a designer handbag that I just do not use anymore, and I can list it and I can kind of basically get my money back for the bag and pass it along to someone who would love to use it in their closet. So with that being said, I was just going through my closet and I have lost a little bit of weight, / there are just items in my closet that I just have not utilized in, you know, a long amount of time where it just feels like it's good to pass it on. Like I said, I don't have a super big window of free time, so if I do, I want to utilize it in a way that like sparks joy. So I'd rather like make a YouTube video of all the different things that I'll be putting in a mystery box. I have 3 separate mystery boxes. They are higher end mystery boxes. I will show you every single thing in each particular box, and for each box there will be one mystery item that is a new with tag item that is just sort of like keeping a little bit of mystery in the mystery box. Without further ado, let's get into it. And if you're interested in any one of these boxes, you can find them on my Poshmark closet and they will be shipped right out to you. PPS, for someone who's not understanding of what a mystery box is, to just further elaborate, it's basically a reseller or someone using a reselling website, and they will package up a box for another reseller, where that reseller probably has way more time and a much broader audience and better resources to get out this particular item or a few items to actually profit off of. And I don't have like a huge following. Like I said, I utilize this every once in a while to mostly list like luxury handbags and a few like different articles of clothing that are mostly no tag, not always, that I just have never worn before. So let's get into it. Our first box, we're gonna start with the highest priced box. Excuse me as I reach for my notes. But they're gonna start off at $235 and the least expensive one is $145. Again, these are higher ticket items. So while you won't be getting Louis Vuitton, you will be getting high-end luxury designer items, and then one per box, and then you'll be getting nice clothing that are in really impeccable condition, that are something that you could flip to kind of also add. So essentially you're paying for the designer item and then you're getting all of these kind of extra items to also increase your profit. So with that being said, this is our highest price box, and the designer luxury item is Aquazaria shoes. It comes in the box. They are a size 7 or 37. They're really pretty. I just haven't really reached for them this summer at all. They are brown suede with sort of like it's not like a deep rich gold, it's kind of like a, potentially in some light it could appear almost like a silver, but it's very, very light gold, not super obnoxious gold. Beading detail, lace-up detail, and they're suede, they're super cute. Again, it's just like I don't really utilize them, and I figured it's time to give them a new home. They retail at $8 something, right? $8.95. So like with tax, it was about like $9 something retail price. I do have slip guards placed on them, and then there's the cute little logo, their little pineapple. They're size 37 in really good condition. There's nothing major wrong with them. I don't think there's really anything wrong with them. Maybe like these little tassels are a little bit smushed, but you know, there's nothing wrong with them. There's nothing that has to be fixed for them at all. So here's this, and here's the second one. And they basically just kind of, you pull them and you can either just like loop it around your ankle, or you can kind of loop them up your leg, however you like. So again, here are the bottoms. And obviously these are fingerprints because it is suede. But they're in really nice condition, super soft. So that is our designer luxury box number 1, the designer luxury item, I should say. And then also within this box, so it comes shoes with the box. This is what they are. So also within this mystery box is, and I'm not going to do sizes, I'm just going to kind of show you what they are. Again, keeping a little bit of the mystery in the mystery box. A chambray tank top from Gap. A J. Crew factory. It's kind of like a sleeveless button-up collared white shirt. J. Crew denim shorts. Ooh. Oh. I don't know why I said out loud. This is Old Navy, but it's actually like a really nice summer dress, and that kind of seasucker print. We will have a Silence and Noise blazer. I believe that was from Nordstrom. So that's your box number 1. Again, this is more about the one big luxury item that you flip, and then everything else is kind of just like a, I don't want to say like just in case, but like fluff, like reassurance, like, hey, like if you just make $50 on flipping this one item, then here are some extra things to also basically add to your profit margin, just in case. I know some people do designer boxes and it's basically like one thing and that's all they get, and then like, oh, and here are these like really shitty like Chanel glasses that have a crack in them with your one designer item. And I just felt like kind of just seeing these types of boxes, this is what I feel most comfortable with. And again, with all of these boxes, you will get one mystery item that is a new attack item that is on trend and will be very easy to sell. So that is our highest price box, that's $235. Our second middle price box is $225. And your luxury item is actually this really nice St. John knit collection blazer. And it's beautiful, it's just, it's never really fit me right. It has, look at this beautiful, it's not silk, but it's like really pretty detailing. And like honestly, from here to like the rest of the torso, it fits me really well, but I'm really short. So it's just the sleeves are a little bit too long, and the sleeves themselves are a little bit flared. And it just looks like I'm playing dress up in like my mother's work wardrobe, and like, I don't want to look like that. So it's a beautiful collection. Just looking up comps for it that in the same sort of material, full price, retail price, they go for over $1,000. There is one right now that's that same material, but it has like gold buttons on the top, or on the body, and it's on sale right now for like $8 something. So the reason this one is a little bit less expensive than the shoes, because St. John, you have a very niche clientele of someone that wants to buy that. So I just feel like that's a good price, and it seems like a fair price, so you're not sitting around waiting for that to be flipped. There's also Zara's Happenings, so just like a really simple but trendy, like on trend, like neutral color Zara tank top. New with tag, Banana Republic factory short, jean short, and new with tag J. Crew factory linen short, and then a Naked Wardrobe denim bodycon dress. So you can't really get it all in here, but this is really pretty. And then I just love Naked Wardrobe in general. Such good products. There's your little zipper detailing, and it's really great material. If I didn't have all my children, I'd probably keep those. Okay. And again, we'll be getting a new tag on trend mystery item to add to that. Our last box, oh excuse me, is $145, and this is sort of like, you get two, I don't want to say high end, no, I don't want to say designer, but more like luxury type brands or higher end brands. They're not quite on the other two levels, right? But I figured I'd give you two of them. So the first one is this Tahari dress, and it is their not as expensive brand, the T Tahari dress, new with tag. It's a beautiful like bodycon, like ruched dress with great draping. The back zipper, and I've just never worn that, unfortunately. This is great. So this is Rahi. I don't think I'm saying that right, but it's R-A-H-I. And it's a beautiful silk skirt. And it comes up to about mid-waist, and it has this really nice slip on it. And I wore this for my anniversary dinner, and I loved it. And it looked beautiful on. So like those are my two like higher end items that I'm sort of using and utilizing in this. You do get Gianni beanie. I don't know where I got this, but it's a really cute knit blazer. It's sort of that like army aesthetic, military aesthetic. This guy. This is J. Crew. Okay. Just want to make sure it's not J. Crew. I don't think it is. I want to double check. Yes, J. Crew. I love this skirt. Like super cute tweed skirt. Some Anthro, because who doesn't love Anthro? So just like a cute little Anthro knit. And then this great sundress. It's like hard to see how nice it is. There's the top, and then it is a maxi dress. It looks really beautiful on. I just haven't really reached for it in a really long time. So it's time for her. I will say that never say never if you feel like these prices aren't fair and you want to put the boxes themselves in a bundle and communicate with me that way. If you see that there's another price point that you feel like is more appropriate, please do so. Like nothing is set in stone, and I am more than welcome to sort of discuss that with you. But now you know that these are all the 3 different luxury higher end boxes that I have. And if you feel interested, please come over to my Poshmark closet, take a look, and we can go from there. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day and happy Poshmarking, guys. Bye.